Intuition ain't adding up, you been causing division. Thought you was the one, I thought you was my lady. I hit from the back and you start acting crazy. I'm always on go when that big pussy graze me. You keep posting course like that's really gon' fade.
What's up with y'all boys? I told y'all we going up all 2021. I'm back with another video. Let me go back because the sun is too much in my eyes and I'm good right here, lighting good. Today we going to a car show. We going to a car show / photo shoot with GorillaGangRacing. Shout out GorillaGangRacing, by the way, too. I'm gonna put their IG in the description and I'm gonna put it on video when we actually get to the meet. But like I said, follow them on IG. It's gonna be them, I think 301 Flex Crew and Road Rage DMV. Go out there, you know, show love, show them in the video, you know, support them and whatnot at their event, you know. Unfortunately, I don't have my car. Y'all see what I'm gonna be driving to the meet. Oh fucking well. My car gonna be out. I'm gonna be throwing that jump back in meets. I'm gonna be back out in the mix. That's the only reason why I haven't been going to meets like that, is because my car is unfortunately out the mix. It's still in the shop. I haven't heard anything from the transmission people, so it is what it is. Follow me on IG at Reserunnitup. Follow me on Twitter. I'm gonna put that right here. Right here. Man, we going up. I told y'all, bro. Hit that big 50K, but y'all like the video, comment on it, subscribe, and we out. I'm gonna see y'all at the meet though. Okay. Go follow, bro.
Thumbnail. This nigga looking at the mic. I was like, I got a lot of excuses, but I see him out here running all the time. Oh, I'm back. I gotta get to him. I said already, I gotta get to him. I told you I was gonna ask him, bro. I told you, if he coming, I'm gonna ask him. Because I want to know the truth. You know they got talking to? I'm not fucking with that. You know they swarmed that bitch the other night. Oh, you really popping out, huh? I follow people. I'm like, what the fuck is
That shit dead serious.
you got a mo party, you win.
It counts. Nope. Hey, bro.
Base models, all of the above, you hear me? Base models, nigga. With the 3.6, with the key star. What you talking about?
Is that with the key star?
Yeah, you got the push light with the key star, bro.
How good? When you get that shit done? Huh? When you get that shit done? The yellow, yeah, on the hood. I swear you ain't had that shit the other night.
Nah, I recently got that done. Like 2 or 3 weeks ago.
You might as well just leave that shit like that.
I am.
What do more?
But I was like, I had to do something because I want to change the hood. I don't really care for it.
That's what I said. Put the Hellcat on it.
I do. But no, they don't make my color.
Oh, Indigo. Damn. Well, I mean, you could just get one. I mean, fat one off like, or just have it black, man.
Hey, what underdog at?
For real, look. You can do it black, then keep it orange.
His tires was ball.
Somewhere on that motherfucker. On the
They always ball. The fuck?
That's why I was gonna wait until I wrap the whole car, the new color. Then get the hood.
What the new color look like? Hold on. Shit. Oh. Y'all go follow my man. And this guy right here.
Oh, I'm slow.
I'm slow shit. Nah, that's the best YouTuber ever right there. If this nigga post.
I post.
Often. Not every once in a while. Y'all go follow my boy right here.
Y'all go follow that man right there. He got the fast car.
Y'all see how hot we are. This shit crazy. Go follow my boy. Oh no. Y'all go follow my boy. 2019 John. Cool. I'm gonna get one of them motherfuckers, boy. Motherfucking SS. I'm gonna get one of them Jones. No cap. No kids. My John was dead. That shit was crazy. killed himself. That's sick. What's up?
What's up? I didn't think you was gonna make it today.
Yeah, I'm here. I told you my shit gone, man.
Huh? I get a lane. Yeah, I know. Where your shit at though? Huh? Right there? Get in here now. Fuck it. Oh man! Wait till next summer though. Next summer you can get a lane. You get a couple lanes.
Oh, that's a bet. I be a lot different then.
Hey, look. So when my setup get, can I get a lane?
What you want?
I don't appreciate you fucking with me either, bro. That's all I love and shit, but I don't appreciate you fucking with me.
I gotta mess with you, man. You cool as shit.
I was like, I see you, because that AMG was crazy. And then all of a sudden, this nigga told me, so you gonna get a lane? I'm like, I don't want a lane. But I ain't gonna duck it. So I'm like,
I mean, yeah, you can't never duck it.
I can't duck that shit, so I'm like, I want.
What the fuck was that though?
That's that fifth man. Yeah, I think.
That's your man? That's Kel?
I don't think so. I want to talk to you. Who the fuck does you think you did? You probably went to the
Oh my god. Let me not get this photo, bro. Everybody else. Nah, bro. But look. Damn. I need to get them Jones.
Nah, you gotta play bridge.
That's it, bro. Hey, yo. I'm on the lane, though. No cap.
Oh, you get one?
What we doing? It's like I'm trying. I might be running 15 pounds by then.
That's all?
Yeah, because
I'm be running pro charge.
Oh, shit. Hey, we can still run it, though. Fuck it. For reliability issues.
Right. For science. It does my shit. I race
For
for
science. Yeah, reliability issues. If I die, nigga, my motor's going through the sky.
Oh, shit.
Damn. Jesus.
Race me. Line it up.
Race me. I'm cool. I'm cool.
Oh, you meant that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did. You know I did.
But I was going through that color right there, the green. But I was like, bro, I don't want that shit. But satin though, it wasn't gonna be that.
Yeah, you hit it. Yeah, you hit it.
He started that bullshit.
That's an M, I think.
Oh, I just seen that.
that's
Son,
definitely
I
an
definitely just seen this joint on
I'm not even going to
Instagram
record
somewhere.
that because he fucked me up paint-wise. It was like white on one side.
That's the European style color though.
God. Yeah, that's the.
M3s.
Yeah.
It looked like he spread it out on fours and it didn't go around the car.
No, that's how they do overseas for their M series.
See, where this is why.
Turbo now?
I thought it was Bears.
Nah, Bears ain't coming out here.
Man. You know they got the same color fucking Camaro. He got a little bit of
Damn, he couldn't.
Why this shit look way.
Wipe it down.
Yeah, I was about to. That nigga ain't wipe shit.
Oh, understood. Oh, no, wait. Like I said, what you see is what you get. You take pictures.
Chillin'.
We down. Hopefully, we can
Damn.
get this done by.
Oh yeah, hey, Donico, there you go, boy.
We got supercharged in here.
Stop it.
I see your drag rails. I'm just trying to figure out how you got supercharged in here.
Drag bro.
Bye, bro.
Go back. Ran up on one of them galleries like this.
Yeah, I mean, you know, so like you were saying, but like, you know, if there's no issue, like, you know, like no burnout,
Oh, hell no.
it ain't that.
Hey boy, they got car stickers on they shit. That shit crazy.
because I know I'm going to be there.
You know what's funny? Him right there. I need to review his car because I want to hit it. I need to hit it. Oh, don't sleep. That shit is pro charge. Hey, bro, I got one of those too. I got one of those too.
What, a Camaro?
Yeah, I got V6 though.
I am just that heavy.
Oh yeah, my shit. It's
You
interesting.
were toying with me. I don't think you do got a V6. I think you
Not for real.
definitely a skip that.
I'm just like him. That's why he just bricked on me when we got out the car.
he said, I'm just like you. He's lying, bro. I need to see that though.
This is going to Hennessy though. So
It is?
1500 horsepower when I'm done with it. So I'll come back for you.
Oh yeah. When I'm done,
So what you got
I
done
be
to it?
just 860. Just 860. That's why I won't stop at. Once you get over 1,000, you think you
It's
slick.
not roadworthy.
860 crank. Once you get to 1,000, shit get to breaking.
Yeah, bro. You literally can't drive, bro.
Yeah.
Tap the gas, boom. Damn, gotta go to the
it'll
shop.
be a track car after that.
Yeah.
Yeah, you hit the.
I still will be coming back.
Oh, no question. Just look me up. It's gonna be dark Danico.
Dark.
Then? Not now?
No, it's just regular Danico now. It's gonna be dark Danico. And then it's gonna have the Hog logo.
Oh, watch out, watch out.
She got a whole ass GoPro.
Alright. I knew you couldn't see with the window shadows. I know it.
Son, I want to know how hard is it to see
It's
out
not
of
that.
shit?
It's you can't see shit out of Camaro anyway.
Yeah,
Oh,
bro,
I drive that.
Yeah.
I can't.
Let me get this Benz again, though, bro. You tripping? I don't want him to get up.
I do. That's why I said that time.
Nigga, he pulling that shit from his leg all the way up. But he's pulling the shotgun out of nowhere. Yeah. Thank you. This nigga BQ hurt. The nigga BQ hurt.
I got hurt.
He Instagram famous. Yeah, same nigga. Very Instagram famous. Who's they with?
I guess it's whoever the fuck the BQ hurt me is. You got hit him.
I like that green though. No. Which one then?
Oh, the 11 Pro.
Nigga, this is an A+. I do not care. That shit is lit though. I told you it was gonna be that color, but sad. But
Subscribe to him.
my man is sick. Hey, this sounds nice, bro.
How many horses?
Come on. 577 from the back, but I got a rim tech tune on it.
Oh, you know what? Brother, go ahead and roll out the window. I already know about it, brother.
I was about to say, I don't need
Hey,
to
you
hit.
be easy for the
This is
rest.
just a race car.
I know.
That's why all the carbon fiber. We only made it 1 year this year.
Bro, I'm still scared, bro.
Hey,
I don't.
brother, I already know. Once you say Rentec, brother, go ahead. You have a good. Hey, anybody
Take it easy,
line
though.
up, just roll the window on say Rentec.
That's all I gotta say.
If he don't know what he know, just tell him go ahead, brother. You ain't got enough gas.
Fool, I ain't never heard, bro. On life, bro. I'm getting super E85 to race that.
You on E85 ain't gonna help you with that.
Fool, I don't.
When she said Rentec,
I need a million shot of
Rentec
nitrous.
got $10,000 tunes. So you know the shit.
But he has a. Damn, bro, I can't even get your car, bro. You ain't even watch this shit. What's up, man? That shit bring out everything. The colors and all that.
Yeah, I mean, it's a light.
It bring out the tire tread and shit.
Time for me to get ready, get on out of here, y'all. But if y'all like the video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to everybody. Subscribe to my man Donico. We get ready, get out of here.